Yo, Zach Bradshaw, the Greensboro SEO Pro, back with another bite-sized internet marketing tutorial. So in this video, we are simply going to go over user permissions in YouTube. It's a fairly simple thing to do to add managers or community managers or new owners to your channel. All you have to do is be logged in into your Google account while you're in YouTube, or have selected the channel that if you have multiple channels, make sure that you're on the right account. And then all you do is you come down here to settings. And once you're on the settings page, you go to add or remove managers. And then right here on this big old manage permissions button, you just click it and then invite new users, and you simply add the email of the person that you want to add. You can also add people if they're like connected to you within this account, like if you have friends on YouTube, if you are, if you use the chat features and things like that that are fairly new on YouTube. So setting an owner role is usually the best. If you're doing this for me, which is partially the purpose of this video, if you're giving us permissions, then make us owners so that, I can add whoever I need to add separately and assign people different permissions myself, right? So obviously this is on my account, and I just want to be able to manage this, whether I'm logged into this G Suite account or whether I'm logged into my basic Google account. And so I'm just going to push the invite button, and then that's done. I can click over here into this email, and you saw right away that I'm invited to do this, and then I just accept this invitation, and now I can manage this page from my Zach Bradshaw or my Zach at Greensboro SEO account. So I accept that invitation. Done. And that's that. So you can go ahead and like and subscribe to my stuff if you want to. If not, that's cool too. Of course, if you need help with SEO or really any internet marketing, myself and my team, we are always here to serve you. And until next time, I love you. Peace.